Hey everyone, it's Jeff, and I just want to let you guys know that over the weekend we had a little family emergency. My mom's fallen a little sick. She's in the hospital right now, and I need to spend time with family this week as well my regular job. So obviously something had to give this week, and it of course will be the channel. Family always comes first, as well as the job that makes me money. That always comes second. And the channel's always third, but as much as I love the channel, it's always third. That being said, rather than the New York channel going black for a week, I decided to pick pretty much my top 5 favorite videos that I've ever done that are here on the New York channel. They're going to be repeats, but rather than the channel going black, I figured I'd show you guys something. And those of you who haven't been around since day one might not have seen most of these. So the next 5 videos this week are going to be Jeff from New York's personal favorite. I hope you enjoy them, guys. Good creepy afternoon, everyone. Today we're in Atlantic City on the boardwalk, and we're going to visit the Showboat Hotel, no longer casino. The hotel and casino opened in 1987 with a 60,000 square foot casino and a 60-lane bowling alley. When it opened, the Showboat had a Mardi Gras theme with Bob Hope and Al Hirt, the famous jazz clarinetist, doing opening acts here. You can still get a room here at this pet-friendly hotel, but that's basically all you're gonna get. All the restaurants and shops have been closed. If you're a fan of the paranormal and you always wanted to stay overnight in a haunted building, well, you'll get more than your money's worth here. As many of you know, the House of Blues is one of my favorite franchises with great food, shows, and music. They were located here at the Showboat but have picked up and ran out of town. So let's step inside. Don't be afraid. Here, take my hand. There's nothing to be afraid of. Whoa. This is Bricker's Burgers, the only place you can grab a bite, if you will, at the Showboat Hotel. I suggest the boardwalk entrance. This here is what's left of the House of Blues venue. Here they had their own casino, restaurant, gift shop, and a huge concert venue. Not anymore. Let's check out what used to be the casino. We'll get a better look at the Showboat Casino in a little bit, if you're ready to take that gamble. In these hollowed halls, you see lovers clinging to each other and holding hands for comfort. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. If you spot it, leave a message in the comments below as far as the timestamp on this video where you found it. When you do, I'll give you a shout out on the next New York video. By the way, if you spot Miss America, please alert the authorities. She hasn't been seen since she entered this building weeks ago. Whoa. By the way, hit that subscribe button. If you do, you'll automatically be entered into a $50 Amazon gift card giveaway. Go ahead, click on that subscribe button. There's nothing to be afraid of. I know you're eyeing those exit doors on the left, but why leave so quickly? And who knows where those doors lead to? Stay with me. Let's check out security in this building. Shall we check out a show while we're here? Oh wait, where's the reservation agents? I don't see any. What happened to them? Here's the reservation desk at the Showboat. All they care about is when you're checking in. Checking out is irrelevant to them. They know where your future lies. Up ahead is the bus, valet, and Uber pickup area. Please don't go down there. No one ever seems to end up where they really wanted to go, if you know what I mean. Here's the lobby bar. As Yogi Berra used to say, this place is so crowded, nobody goes there. What? Don't you see them? All dressed up, drinking their cocktails, getting ready to go to the casino? You don't see them? These black curtains are blocking the view of the main entrance to the casino, which is now empty. The authorities ask that you please don't try to peek behind those curtains. These restaurants on the right used to be all the high-end restaurants at the Showboat. Now they're all empty. Where has everyone gone? So the gambling tables and slot machines are long gone, but you can still take a gamble here at the Showboat Hotel if you're looking for a cheap place to stay for the night. That's if you're willing to take the ultimate gamble. So there you have it, New York viewers, a Atlantic City hotel and casino holding on to its last breath. I had a little fun here and made sort of like a horror movie video, but one thing that I do take seriously is security at a hotel that I'm staying at. That being said, there is none here. I saw no one at the hotel elevator banks, which means anyone could walk off the street or the boardwalk and go up any floor they wanted to. That's not for me. Sweet dreams. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.